do a 10 spin challenge here. We got 10 spins. Do it. Ooh, check the spin in. Now we get, where was that? A mini is like $100, but if we get a minor, that's 500. Let's play. And if we get that mansion thing, we gain. We're not getting the mansion thing. That alone, that's gonna be worth. All right, saw me away. Lame. Well, we got that. If we get a one right here, that'd be great. Or at least you got 2 minutes. That's good. Well, 2's better than none. Hit those 2 again. $9 already, so we got 4 straws, 3 wood, and 2 mansions. Blow me. That minor is like 500. I'll take that. Alright, that brings it up to like 4 6. That's great. Yeah. That's a good one there too. But is that enough for me?